All right, fitness fanatics. You crushed that workout. You're feeling the burn and your muscles are screaming for some relief. But hold on. Before you collapse on the couch, let's talk recovery. It's the unsung hero of fitness, often overlooked but absolutely essential. It's not just for elite athletes, it's for everyone. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily gym goer, recovery is key to your progress. Think of your muscles like a car engine after a long drive. They need time to cool down and reset. They're hot, tired, and need some TLC. Without proper recovery, you risk overworking them, leading to fatigue and potential injury. Recovery helps repair those tiny muscle tears from your workout, preventing soreness and injuries. It's like giving your muscles a much-needed tune-up. Plus, it gives your mind a break, reducing stress and improving sleep. A well-rested mind and body are crucial for overall well-being. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fancy massages and cryotherapy chambers sound amazing, but my wallet isn't exactly overflowing. High-end recovery methods can be pricey. Don't worry, you don't need a celebrity bank account to recover like a champ. There are plenty of budget-friendly options available. We're about to unlock the secrets of frugal fitness recovery. From foam rollers to ice packs, there are countless ways to aid your recovery without breaking the bank. Get ready to feel amazing without emptying your pockets. With the right recovery techniques, you'll be back to crushing your workouts in no time. Who doesn't love a good massage? It's one of life's simple pleasures, a moment of pure relaxation and relief from the daily grind. But those spa prices can be scarier than burpees. The cost can really add up, making it a luxury that many of us can't afford regularly. Luckily, you can recreate that deep tissue magic at home with everyday items. You don't need to break the bank to get some quality self-care. First up, the humble PVC pipe. This unassuming piece of plumbing equipment can be a game changer for your muscle recovery. Yep, you heard that right. It's not just for your plumbing needs. This plumbing supply doubles as a fantastic foam roller. It's sturdy and can handle the pressure needed to release those tight muscles. Just lie on it and roll your muscles out for some sweet relief. It's perfect for larger muscle groups like your back and legs. Next, we have the rolling pin. This kitchen tool isn't just for rolling out dough. No, not for baking cookies, though a post-workout treat is always welcome. It's versatile and can be used for more than just culinary purposes. This kitchen staple works wonders on tight muscles, especially in your legs and back. Just roll it over those sore spots and feel the difference. And last but not least, the tennis ball. This small, unassuming ball packs a punch when it comes to muscle relief. Small but mighty, this little guy can target specific knots and trigger points. It's great for those hard-to-reach areas. Pop it under your glutes, back, or feet, and feel the tension melt away. It's a simple yet effective way to give yourself a mini massage anytime, anywhere. Ice baths are all the rage, but who wants to fill their tub with bags of ice? Not me. Instead, raid your freezer for bags of frozen peas or corn. Wrap them in a towel and apply to sore muscles for 15 to 20 minutes. The cold helps reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. Now, if you're brave, there's always the cold shower option. I know, it sounds terrifying. But trust me, a quick blast of cold water after your workout can do wonders for your circulation and muscle soreness. Plus, it's guaranteed to wake you up faster than a double espresso. Flexibility is key for preventing injuries and improving your range of motion. And guess what? You don't need a fancy yoga studio to reap the benefits. YouTube is a treasure trove of free yoga classes for all levels. Find a quiet spot in your living room, roll out your mat or towel, and follow along. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi, there's a class for you. Plus, you can pause and rewind as needed. No judgment here. Heat things up. Cozy comfort on a budget. Heat therapy is amazing for relaxing muscles and increasing blood flow, but forget expensive heating pads. You can easily make your own with just rice and an old sock. Fill the sock with rice, tie it off securely, and microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Voila! You've got a soothing homemade heating pad. Apply it to sore muscles for 20 minutes and feel the tension melt away. Fuel up without breaking the bank. Post-workout grub on a dime. After a good workout, your body needs the right fuel to recover and rebuild. It's essential to replenish your energy and support muscle repair. But protein shakes and fancy recovery bars can cost a pretty penny. These high-priced items can quickly add up, making it hard to stick to a budget. Don't worry, we've got budget-friendly options. You don't have to spend a fortune to get the nutrients you need. Whip up a quick and easy protein shake with milk, Greek yogurt, and some frozen fruit. This homemade shake is not only cost-effective, but also packed with protein and vitamins. Or grab a banana and a handful of almonds for a simple and affordable post-workout snack. These natural foods provide essential nutrients and are easy to carry with you. And don't forget about hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for recovery and overall health. Water is your best friend, but you can also make your own electrolyte drink by mixing water, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a touch of honey. This DIY drink helps replenish lost electrolytes without the added sugars and costs of store-bought options. Sleep your way to recovery. Catch those zizzies on a shoestring. Sleep is when the real magic happens. While you're snoozing, your body works hard to repair muscles and replenish energy stores. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. To improve your sleep environment, make sure your room is dark, quiet, and cool. And if you're feeling stressed, try some simple breathing exercises before bed. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat until you feel relaxed and ready for sleep. Frugal fitness, fantastic results. Keep going, you got this. There you have it. Recovery doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and some household items, you can give your body the TLC it deserves without emptying your wallet. Remember, consistency is key. Make these frugal recovery techniques a regular part of your routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference they make in your fitness journey. Now go out there, crush your workouts, and recover like a champ.